Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Beauty by Dave. I'm your host. Guess who? Dave. Must be Saturday. Must be another lovely day in Oregon. It's actually Sunday, and it's going to be like 100 degrees outside today. So we're doing hot girl summer today. We getting bronze, baby. Hey. So anyway, hello. You know what's up. So today we're basically going to be doing this CoverGirl Trublend Skin Enhancer. I went in for the Velvet Blur, came out with the Velvet Blur and this fucking jelly bronze glow. Okay, why did I get this? I don't need this. I don't want this. I looked at it in the store. Immediately I saw it and I was like, no, don't look at it. No, you don't need that. Don't look. No, you don't need that. You don't need another one of these. And look at it. It's horrific. It's got so much glitter in it. You can see the glitter through the TV screen. I mean, look at that. There is so much stupid glitter. I don't know why I got this. I should not have got this, but I did. I just had to. So here we are. But anyway, we went in for the Velvet Blur. I'm interested. There's several other versions of this skin enhancer from CoverGirl. CoverGirl, don't cover boy. So anyway, here we're just gonna, I've been looking for primers anyway, so we're gonna just kind of start playing with primies. And this is a primey. Okay, I think it's brand new. It seems not brand new when it's applied. It's clearly just like a silicone regular type of primer, and it's not silicone, it's specifically dimethicone, and then water, and then dimethicone, and then PPG, and then more PPG, then more dimethicone. Okay. So I think it's great for primies. And so I was told we're supposed to just like shove this into the pores. Just shove it into the fucking pores, man. That's what Nikki said. Nikki LaRose said just, shove it into the damn pores. Shove it in where you're trying to go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to shove it into the pores. All right. Oh, I don't know how you guys feel. I'm feeling like a bit chaotic today. I think today's going to be just crazy all over the place video. But, we're going to get there. It's going to be fun. God, it's really fun. What a lovely Sunday. You know what I mean? We're going to be talking about just a lot of random shit today. Got this Kiehl's eye treatment. There you go. Focus. There you go. Creamy avocado eye treatment. It's on sale at Sephora. Been looking into this product for a bit, so I got it on the eyes today. It feels lovely. I don't hate it immediately. With some eye creams, I do. Some eye creams, I put them on my face and they immediately just burn my eyes and I hate them. Then check out this other CoverGirl product. This is just a really, just gorgeous. Like, look at this. It's just plastic, so it's not too crazy, but I just saw it in the store and I was just like, lovely. I also was just like, the shades that they had, they just weren't quite what I wanted. And this shade is just, it's not great. It's not great for me. But I got it because it was like $6 and it just looks lovely. I was like, CoverGirl. Usually it's just that boring, same old shit, So I like that they're kind of stepping up. It's, what's funny? It seems like they're duping Elf. All the girls. Elf came and duped everybody. And then now everybody's like, oh, well, let's do Elf now because they are winning. Okay. I think we just put that primer all over the face and then we just let it sink in. I think that's what we did. Okay, so, I picked up this skin enhancer from the CoverGirl, from the Trublend Skin Enhancer line, which it's just 1,000% obviously, like exactly this. It's just one of the bronzer. It's just their bronzer drops dupe. So we got that one. We also have the Glow Recipe one right here. And then we have, which honestly, my favorite one is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow. And this one I got like a long time ago. This one I think is like one of the original ones that I think everybody else is kind of sort of duping off of. This one serves, but it's got a lot of glitter in it. you know, the Glow Recipe one is great because it doesn't do almost anything. It blends into almost nothing, but there is still some subtle glitter on your face after that one. This bad boy, it's just glitter. It's just a shitload of glitter on your face. But it's got some pigment. I don't like it that much, but I'm going to use it today anyway, just for shits and giggles. So, there you go. I've been doing bronzer and blush as my, hot girl, glowy girl summer template, whatever the fuck. So here you go. We're going to just put this right on here. You're going to see. Look at that. It'd be cool if we'd focus on that. Alright, we're going to do it. Bam. Boom. Yeah, look at that. That's cool looking. This looks like a pile of gold. Lovely. Okay, so it's got so much glitter. It's going to ruin our brush, but that's okay. So I'm just going to dip into my little hand pally, and we're just going to start applying all over the face. Yeah, we're going to just apply all over the face. We're just going to give ourselves a nice bronzy glow. That's great. All right, one pump was sort of not enough. Do I go in for a second pump and ruin everything? You know what? I'm going to restrain myself today and not ruin the whole look by going in for a second pump. Yay for me. Okay. So honestly, this might be better off than I was expecting because one pump is better. Last time I did 2 pumps. It was too much. 2 pumps too many. Okay. Okay, this is very interesting. As you can see, it didn't really do very much. It really blended out a lot better. There's a shitload of glitter all over my face, but that's okay. We're going to try to cover that up. We're also not very bronzed. This product has no smell to it. The Butter Glow is just one of my favorite products to put on my face because I like the way that it looks, but the smell, it smells so fucking good. I love having it all over my face all the time. I mean, the Glow Recipe watermelon drops, it's watermelon drops, so winner there. And this one has nothing. It smells just like nothing. Which is, I guess, clean. It's like clean, but why would you want to use that when you could use the other ones? Okay, well, I guess we're blended out on the face with this. And we didn't really achieve any bronzer. And now we just have a bunch of glitter. Yay for us. That's exactly what we wanted. But that's okay. This is what we do. This is beginner boy beauty. This is beauty by day. This is what we do. We try and we see what happens. We play with makeup products for fun. Obviously, I'm just going to still play with this stuff. I'm going to use a lot today because it's extremely sheer, actually. Ooh, I wonder if I have that other little stick. I do have that other little stick. I do. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about this little stick right here. Yes, sweet. All right, so we're going to put some of this blush. Wow, that was way too much. This day. So great. Wow. For some reason, that stuff was just extremely pigmented today. Usually it shears out to nothing. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, then there's a secret at the end of the video. I hope I don't forget. It'd be classic Dave if I forget. But there's a whole setup here. I'm supposed to not forget. We're going to do a update at the end of the video. If you check out my last video, I am reviewing a hair product currently. So at the end, we're going to talk about how it's doing after we've been using it for a while. All day long. Yes, we have. Okay, so then we got the blush on. That looks lovely, actually. Hello. Okay. So then, check this guy out here. Check out this little milk stick that I got. Milk, hello. This is a milk lip and cheek stick. It's one of their pretty generic products. This is the shade Swerve. I wonder if this is like a mini or something. I don't think it is. It's 0.21 ounce. I'm not sure if it's a mini or not. It is pretty small, you know. But I think that I looked at this. I got this for $8, okay, at TJ Maxx, you know. And I went over to Sephora, which is right across the street, looking at these. And it's this exact same shade, this exact same product. It's $24. And so it's like TJ Maxx is serving. And it's like I got 5 shades of OPI nail polish. They were all $5 each. And usually I pay like, you know, $14.99 for a shade at Ulta of OPI, like the exact same ones. And they're $5 at TJ Maxx. They had 3 whole shelves. They had like every shade, man. Like fucking, they had everything. I got a sickening little combo, you know. TJ Maxx is, you know, don't sleep on TJ Maxx. They got some goods that you can pick stuff out. So there you go. And this Swerve stick is actually badass. It's like a super sheer glowy orange. It smells like vitamin C. It's extremely sheer. You put a shitload on it, it just goes away. Lovely. But it's perfect for our hot girl summer, honey. Oh, so I'm just gonna dance around it. Oh, gorgeous. Dance around it. Oh, boom. Oh, are you Sabrina Carpenter? Hunty? Ooh. 'Cause I'm a singer. You know what it is. You know what it is, babe. Alright, whatever. Okay. You know, we can keep playing around all day long. One thing I like to keep doing is I like to put some stuff on my little eyelids, you know? Do I have that bronzy? I don't. It's okay. Oh well. No eyelids today. Okay, one thing we're gonna have to do though is we gotta do our one size powder because that's what everything is. It's all about the one size powder, to be very honest. Because that's what I do. I just kind of just slap and wreck shit all over my face, all this wet shit, and then I just come in at the very end and I just slather on a fuck ton of this one size translucent powder. The one size translucent, that's what it says. You can see, you can read. Can you read? But can you read? Can you read the dolls? Oof, itchy nose. Oh, itch my nose. The one size translucent powder just comes in and it just fixes everything. It just makes everything look perfect. And like then people are like, oh, you look sort of okay today. I'm like, well, it's the powder. It's the powder. What about the powder? See, we got a bunch on the brush. And look, we just slap it. We just hit ourselves in the face with it. It really does. It just, see, look, it just fixed it. It just fixed everything. You know, then do the cheek. Then do cheek one. Get your eye. Do everything. Look, fixed it. You look like trash. 2 seconds ago, look like absolute trash. That was great. No, it looked like. All right. Oh, and then something tells me my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray is in a different room, so I guess we're not going to be doing that. So anyway, that powder just kind of like, brings everything together. It really does. You talk about blurring powders, it just blurred everything together. It looks great. So anyway, what do you see? I mean, I can see there's still glitters, you know. Excuse me, you're up here. Don't look at my chest. My eyes are up here. Anyway, you know, you can see. You have eyes. Hello. Hi. Hello. You have eyes. So yeah, we've got some glitter coming through. Which, you know, when I go outside and it's super bright out and I'm walking around, it's just gonna be like, oh wow, that guy's got just like glitter all over his face. That's fun. It's cool. We don't care. We're cool, dog. Anyway, I didn't forget. Update! Briogeo! Bam! Silent treat. Okay, how's it doing? How's the hair? Oh, wow. It looks great. I mean, look at that. I hope you get a real good close-up of my hair on that. That looks really good. The shine is there. I'm gonna... Ooh, actually. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Moto. I'm seeing what appears to be residue. There looks like a lot of residue. Ooh. Oh. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh. This is live on camera. Oh, no. There appears to be a bunch of white shit all over my hair. I have like kind of like flaky, dry scalpy issue that don't look that good. And it appears that this waxy stuff might be causing an extreme amount of white stuff all over my head that I might not be a fan of. It seems to be everywhere. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, there might be a residue. Okay. Okay. There might be a residue with this wax. We don't know wax, as we stated. But okay, the flyaways are fucking down. The Charlies are down. Everybody's down. The hair, it looks great. Oh, we got a big old eyebrow. Big old eyebrow here for that. Whew. Anyway, okay. Wow. I told you we were going to be a little chaotic today. So this Briogeo, it does do a great job. This slick back looks dope. It looks real shiny. It might cause some residue there, folks. So, you know, there's going to be give or take with this. I also used a fuck ton of it. You know, maybe don't use a fuck ton. Just like a little bit, you know. Anyway, wow. What a day. Honestly, I'm liking this skin enhancer. I'm liking this primer thing. What's it do? Not sure. Don't like this at all. Don't get that. But have a great day, you know?